A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina, doce Bahia. Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria, doce Bahia.
Hi, all my stuff is in boxes, so we're just gonna have to deal with what's going on with my hair, but I am paralyzed a little bit by everything that I have to do. So as you guys saw, most of my place is in boxes, but turns out I'm gonna be moving about a day earlier than I thought because of rain and holidays. So I have a lot to do today, and I feel super paralyzed. I'm like, I don't know, it's been really hard for me to get up because I'm just very overwhelmed. But I'm gonna pack up some more stuff and just do it and take you guys with me because I'm overwhelmed.
No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina, enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina, enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Sinto do abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da cirá.
It's my moving day and it's pouring outside, but we are in the new space. Very excited. I just have a few things from my old apartment that I need to get over here, and I'm gonna do that a little bit later once my friend is off work and he can help us. But now it's just time to unbox and try to put stuff away because there is like no room to arrange stuff. So I just want to unbox and put stuff away. Okay, so a little bit of a jump scare with my hair and my dyeing shirt, but I am pausing to do a little bit of grooming because that has not happened in quite a while. Currently still moving. So I'm gonna use my overtone mask to touch up my hair because I can't re-dye it yet. And yeah, I mean, we're currently on day 3 in the new place. And this is day 6 of like the whole moving process. I'm just ready to be done, but we're almost there. We're almost there. We're doing as much as we can. I also don't have gloves, so this is just going on with my raw, bare hands. My hands are stained.
Yeah, George.
This is so cute. I have no space for them.
This is
Show in your underwear. Hold that. Welcome to my couch. I have to use my phone because my mic wind cap broke. So here we are. Also, ignore the dirtiness of my socks. I have not gotten to mop this place, and this place was pretty grimy. But yeah, check out the new couch. We ordered this like a month back it's from West Elm for those that are curious, and I've never had like a real couch before, like me personally. And I really wanted to invest in something that was gonna stay with us for years and years to come. So we finally got our dream couch, and I'm super happy with it. And yeah, today's like the first day that's like actually truly calm when it comes to moving, because most things are put away, most things are organized. Honestly, the thing that is needing a lot of organization is my office, and that is because I am reserving my studio space for a studio-specific video, which is coming next week. So you won't see a ton of my office. I'm going to show it to you guys just so you can see the space and such, but yeah, I'm not going to be doing like much organization or anything in there till the next video. Yeah, I didn't get like a ton of like packing footage or unpacking footage because you guys can probably agree that that is the most stressful and hectic part of moving. And yeah, I just was not mentally there to be thinking of Oliver. I was not fully there to be thinking of, I need to record this. My brain was thinking, I need to put this away, or I need to pack this into a box. So yeah, didn't get like a ton of packing and unpacking, but yeah, I'm about to head out to Target because I have a few things that they did not have at IKEA, or I just prefer from Target, and yeah, just lacking a few organizers and stuff like that. But yeah, just wanted to do a proper catch up with you guys now that everything's settled in. So this is what my office is looking like. Still very much in boxes. I really only have my desk set up so I can work, and then I have one of my shelves drilled into the wall, but I have to build that one. I also hung up my hanging lamp, and I have this mirror in here. But yeah, this is what my office is looking like. Like I said, I'm gonna have a video for the process of this whole mess, which I'm probably gonna start tomorrow. But yeah, this is my new desk because I gave my other desk that I had in the other apartment to my husband. So this is my computer desk, and I'm gonna have an extra one here in this corner. But yeah, I also have a really nice closet space that is also not organized. But yeah, closet space for like our extra stuff and also for packing stuff. I just have things thrown in here. Yes, I'm really excited to tackle my studio space. Before closing out today's video, I wanted to thank the sponsor, which is Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website for whatever you need. They have a lot of new tools like gated members-only content. They have commenting threads now, so you can build a community on your website, and now you're able to link your social media to your website to direct people to all your social media platforms. So if you're interested in a free trial, you can go to squarespace.com and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.